Okie dokie, if you've seen this video, this just had a wee bore. Just punched it out to a 52mm big block and machined it down to 23 foul squish. So she's got a lot of compression at the moment. This is the first run on 30-to-1 MC2 oil, running 98 high octane. So hopefully she works, not live. I'm going to fart out and die. Fingers crossed. Oh, compression. Should be a lot of smoke because when I lubed up the cylinder I used it for the Husqvarna low smoke because I had it in the shed and it's very smoky stuff. I've got to lock up. I might do a draw on the ball. Bloody hell. Oh, fuck. I don't want to start, doesn't it? I think I'm going to wash the ball out. I think the ball's full of oil.